So this one, and click on a product. Same, click on this title. Then click on support. Select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, 10, both, all the installations process same. So first audio driver, Realtek audio driver, click to download. So it is completed, just open it, right click, then open, then yes. Then it is close, means is installed. Chipset, Intel INF installer, click to download. It will complete it, just single click to open it. So this is setup chipset, that click to open and then run. Yes. Next, accept, install, and then done. Close it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, click to download. Start downloading, completed, open it, right click and open, then yes. So it is closed automatically, means it's installed. VGA. So Intel VGA graphic card driver, this is size and this is download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. So it is completed, open it, open. So this is installer, right click to open and then run. Then yes. So bring install. So pre-install, setup, install and done. So you can see guys, one by one the follow this. Okay, then next to install. After all completed, then restart your system. Okay, thank you.